We're going to look at how you use a number line to work out about how we add time and look at difference in time. So first we're going to look at adding time, and we need to remember that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So let's look at this. Number one, it says 9:15, and if I add 22 minutes to it, and I've got 9:15, and if I add 20 minutes to that, it's now going to be 9:35. I have to add 2 more minutes, so now I add the 2, and it's 9:37. So the answer is 9:37. The next one, 4:45 plus 17 minutes. Well, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 10 and then the 7. So if I add on the 10, it is 4:55. Now I have to add the 7. Well, this 7, I'm going to make this into 5 and 2. So if I add the 5 to start with, it becomes 5 o'clock. And then I have 2 more to add. It is 5:02. So the answer here is 5:02. Next one is 1:46 plus 20 minutes. So I'm going to add the 20 minutes. Well, if I add 10, it makes 1:56. And now if I add another 10, I'm going past the 60 minutes, so now it's going to be 2:06. The final one says 2:35 plus 2 hours and 20 minutes. So let's add the 2 hours first. So that now is 4:35. And now I add the 20 minutes, so it's 4:55. So the answer is 4:55. Now, that was adding time. And sometimes we get asked questions like, my lesson starts at 2:25 and it finishes at 2:50. How long did it last? That's what we're looking at now. So, if I have my lesson starts at 2:25 and it finishes at 2:50, how long did it last? Well, I'm trying to see what's going on between it. Well, first I can jump 5 minutes, and that will get me to 2:30. And now if I jump another 20, I get to 2:50. So if I add them up, we can tell it took 25 minutes, because 20 and 5 minutes. What about this one? My lesson starts at 3:45 and it finishes at 4:15. How long was it? Well, let's first jump and add 5, which makes 3:50. If I then add 10, I get to 4. And now I need to get to 4:15, so I can add 15. Now if I add these all together, 10 and 5, 15, and 15, it's 30 minutes. We're going to have a long lesson now because it starts at 4:25 and it finishes at 6:35. How long did it last? Well, I'm going to jump some hours first, actually. I'm going to jump all the way here and add 2 hours to make 6:25. Now I just need to get to 6:30, so I add 5 minutes. If I add these together, 2 hours, 5 minutes, or 2 hours and 5 mins, or 5 minutes. Now the final one is a bit difficult. We're at school very late, it's 6:55, and then I finish at 8:15. What's the difference between there? Well, I can see if I added 2 hours and made this 8:55, it's going to be too much. So I'm just going to add 1 hour. because that will get me to 7:55. I have to get to 8:15, so if I add 5 minutes, that makes 8 o'clock, and then now I can add 15 minutes. So my answer is 1 hour, and I've got 15 minutes and a 5 minute, so 1 hour, 20 minutes. What we've learned to do is add time using a number line and find the difference using a number line.